Alright. Alright. So I just got this package from Alex. Roche, I think you say his last name? Supernog. Hell yeah. Let's jump right in. Let's take this out. Let's see what this is. I guess it's just the I guess forms that you gotta fill out to ship packages, I guess, internationally. So I'm just gonna rip this off. Good enough for me. Don't really want to cut open the box wrong, so. Oh hell yeah, he hooked me up. Ah, I cut the box where he wrote on it. Thanks for the nice logos for my vape. Hope you enjoy the box. Alright, so we got some stickers. Yochor, I don't even know what that is. Oh hell yeah. He signed this one. He signed this one for me. Oh hell yeah, he signed this one too. Another one. He signed this one. Kendama Crossing, that's awesome. That's awesome. Gave me a couple sweet stickers, just regular sweet stickers. Hell yeah, sweets. Oh dude, sweets. Check that with the candy, with the whipped cream with the cherry. Gave me a bandana. She's awesome. Deal with it sticker. Homegrown sticker. Let's see what we got here. Woo-wee! Big bottle of juice. Vape juice, that is. Let's give this a smell. Ooh, I can't wait to taste that. I'm about to do a build with the new coils. This is just packing material. Box is empty now. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what we got in here. We got homegrown with a orange cushion clear ball that was painted by Alex himself, which is pretty awesome. And this is straight fresh. He gave me Orza string. Gave me the coils. Ooh, these look awesome. I'm about to put those on a thing right now. Oh, he gave me another one. Another color bandana. That's awesome. And a pin. Dude, he hooked me up. Another homegrown sticker. Another homegrown sticker. And another string with a threading tool. Hell yeah. What a great day. What a great day. I'm gonna, I guess, string this up. I'm gonna build my vape with a new coil and whoops! And I guess get started and start playing and have fun. I'll probably make a video once everything's together. Awesome. Thank you, Alex. You're the man. Thank you, Supernova. Thanks, man.